This is a 2013 Ram 2500 heavy duty with the Cummins turbo diesel. It is a tradesman package. There will be screenshots of the factory window sticker in the photo section, so you can see all of the options. So just go on our website and scroll through those. Has the N-FAB black running boards, trailer tow mirrors. It's got some Kelly all-terrain tires, tons of tread left on them. Chrome bumpers. It's got a Line-X bed liner. "17" rims. Got the gray cloth seats. You can see on the floor it has the premium full coverage rubber floor liner, power windows, locks, and side mirrors. Got the automatic headlights. 76,775 miles. This one does not have a backup camera. Got your AM, FM, XM radio, climate control, your trailer brake controller, tow haul mode, exhaust brake, tire light load inflation button there. There's a USB port here, a 12-volt port there. Lots of storage, different cup holders. Here's your 4-wheel drive. Cruise control, Bluetooth. This seat does flip up. I don't think anything else underneath it, just flips up for an extra seat. Looking up top, you got your map lights. Got your owner's manual there in the glove box. There's those cool floor mats. And it is a remote keyless entry. Got 2 keys here and then 1 key fob.